Why did Everglory stock skyrocket? Is EVK stock a buy? EVK stock is currently up 228.57% on a volume of 81.44 million, and it has a share float of 14.8 million. That is so many times its normal float, so it's an indication that people have been buying and selling, but the demand is what is definitely leading to the flipping over. People selling and buying. People who are already in a position are noticing the demand and they're selling, and there are people who are who want to join in and are also buying up. So you can see what this sort of spike looks like, what the 200% spike looks like on a single digit trading issue. Technically speaking, EVK appears to be in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above zero and rising. Comparative relative strength analysis shows that this issue is outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum for EVK is strongly bullish. Its 14 period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay higher prices for shares. Today's volume is on track to be heavier than usual, with its 1.44 million shares having traded so far. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests buyers are presently more active than sellers. The Bollinger Bands are presently wider than usual as a result of greater than normal volatility that accompanied the recent price move. Events such as this may precede a pause or reverse in the near-term trend, and that has happened before. We had a spike here that was on the 21st of October, and that was what it went from 1.16 to 2.51. That was more than 200. That was more than 100%, and it. Alright, from that time also it's continued on. So from that 21st, we're looking at close to 150% or thereabout. I presume. Yeah, something like that, up if not 300%. So since that time, from the 27th of October, it pulled back. Would I call that a correction? It looks like a correction. And since that time, it's presented a very good buying opportunity. It just consolidated, and for 1 month, it's just moved sideways, only to start gradually inching up from the middle of November. And today again, it's up. You can see it's overbought as of today, based on all the stuff that's going on. You can see the rate price rate of change is 257.5%, indicating a very strong bullish activity going on there. And these folks at Investor Place have the piece that the stock is surging today in the market despite the lack of news from the Chinese fashion company. Increase in EVK stock comes alongside heavy trading of the shares this morning, obviously. As of writing, 25 million only, but it's now about 81 million. Everglory is a major fashion retailer in China that operates a total of 923 stores. The company's brands includes Lagogo, Velwin, Sea2Sky, and Idol. So it is worth so they asked the question: is it worth jumping into EVK hype train this morning? Maybe not. While it's true Everglory has been on the rise lately, even without news, that doesn't mean investors want to take a chance on it. The company's earnings have been mixed this last few years, and the stock has had trouble maintaining higher prices in the past. It's also worth noting that Everglory may not have the staying power to keep it relevant. Sure, it's survived the novel coronavirus up to this point, but only to steep discounts of its products. The company is also a cheap brand that doesn't have the power to stand up to international fashion brands that customers desire now. So in our opinion, not as things are going now. EVK is not a buy at given the 228% gain that we are looking at right now. We hope that it will at some point cool off and also present the sort of sideways movement it presented from the 2nd of November up till the 1st of December, which was about a month of consolidation. But as things stand now, maybe not. It's not. So you can always come to Stock Tweets and see what the opinions of the market participants on the streets are. Okay. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for watching.